In this video, I will show you how to check your noise pollution in Cities Skylines 2. So let's jump straight into it. So noise pollution is essentially just loud buildings and traffic that can actually disturb citizens in their homes. What this does with the noise pollution, this can actually lead to a decrease in well-being and happiness, and potentially it can cause them to move out of their home. Whilst this is the case, noise pollution is important, but thankfully buildings and structures that have noise pollution will say this on the building information panel. And when you actually click on a building, the panel that pops up will show the level of noise pollution. And there are 3 different types of levels, which is either low, medium or high. Most commonly, noise pollution is created by industrial and commercial zones. So from the actual info views menu in the upper left hand corner of the screen, you can actually check out a variety of overlays. And near the bottom of this menu, you're going to see an icon which is shaped like a pair of headphones, which is just down here. This is what you're going to want to click on to display the noise pollution in your city. So you can use this to check out any extra loud areas. Quiet areas of the city will be on blue land, whilst loud areas will be on red and yellow land, with of course red being the most intense for noise pollution. You can of course use this overall to see how the noise is distributed around your city, and overall it's best to avoid noise pollution around residential zones. So that's how to go ahead and check noise pollution in Cities Skylines 2. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.